Hello guys and girls. So I had received another packet from Amazon India. This packet contains one microphone adapter for my GoPro camera Hero 5 Black. So let me open it up for you without wasting any time. This is the bill. So I had bought it for 740 rupees in Indian currency, which is equivalent to 11 USD dollar approximately. These are taps, both side taps. This is the adapter for the camera with 3.5 mm jack, and this is the microphone. This can be adjusted. This can be adjusted. And this is from Brain Freezer. So in the Amazon India website it is mentioned as Brain Freezer Jack 3.5 mm stereo condenser microphone plus adapter cable wire with tap for GoPro action cameras. So here the pin is 10 pin. Here this plug is of 10 pin, which is compatible also with all version of 5 pin plug. The jack is also gold plated. I think you can see this is also gold plated. So the packet contains this 1, 2, 3, 4 items, and the quality is good. I would say very good in fact. So I am going to test it very soon, and I am also going to make another video how to while installing in the helmet with my GoPro camera and all. So basically I am buying lots of accessories for my bike, Yamaha YZF R3 2018 model. So I will be regularly uploading my videos to you to see. So please stay tuned and keep watching. And for today, thank you for watching. So I will be seeing you in my next video. And the description of this product I will be writing in the description box of this video, so you can also check it there for further details. Once more, thank you for watching. If you like my videos, then please subscribe to my channel. Thank you once more. Bye bye. See you.